Hey guys, welcome to another Turning Timeout. Short build video today. As you've hopefully seen in my previous one, that I have now got my pressure pot. There you go. This is the 40 litre pressure pot with the wheels on and everything. God, you need it because it's so heavy. But I'm looking to start doing some casting. I've got this internal bin, so what I'm thinking is, when I put stuff in here, what I don't want to be doing is rocking the mould about and dripping resin everywhere. So I have a couple of sheets of this, and this is HDPE, so it fits nicely into the pot itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it down into pieces and try and make a caddy. And my idea is to use this. So this is M10 threaded bar, and I'm hoping I can cut this down to join the layers together and create a shelf. So this is the resin pot caddy build, so let's get building. Okay, so that's the internal drum that sits inside the pressure pot, and I've just cut out a piece of 12mm ply as a template, and that fits nicely into there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to trace this onto the HDPE like so, and then once I've traced it on, I'll cut out the HDPE. So in order to cut this, I'm going to use my set of Triton Super Jaws. I've drilled out 4 holes in the first piece, and I've put the 4 threaded rods through those holes, and you can see it's a 10mm rod, 10mm hole, and it's quite a tight fit. It threads in quite nicely, not too difficult. So now what I need to do is transfer those holes to the same position on the other board, so I can drill them out and then get the different shelves put on. So yeah, let's see how we get on with that. So I've got all the holes drilled out on each corner. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and thread the rod through each of the pieces. Okay, so this is the finished product. It's not perfect, but it'll do the trick. Now, I've made this one for a friend of mine, Brett Cunningham, over at aswoodturns.co.uk. Brett does a lot of pen making, so he has a lot of pen blank moulds. So this is going to allow him to do 1, 2, 3, 4 moulds at a time. So all I've done is I've put the threaded rod through there, so it can use a bit of fine tweaking here and there, but to level it out. But on the whole, yeah, I'm quite pleased with how it's come out. I've made this little handle on the top, so I've just passed a couple of bolts through there, clamped it on with the off cut, and that allows you to just lift it up. And then what you can do, so this is for the inside of the pressure pot. Once it's all loaded up, it's just a case of gently lower it in. Boom. Job's a good one. So yeah, quick build. Hopefully you like it. I've got another sheet of HDPE that I'm going to use to do a similar caddy, but I might do something different. I'm not quite sure yet. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't, and feel free to leave a comment. I try and respond to all the comments I get. So cheers guys, and happy turning.